Digitized Business Challenges, created and presented by Kolafa. Executive Summary. The challenges identified in this report include a lack of qualified and capable individuals needed to fulfill today's, much less tomorrow's, digital society and multimedia marketing campaigns. Reputation and brand locus of control are greatly diminished when inappropriately implemented using social or multimedia. And there's a lack of metrics measuring the quantifiable value added to a brand. The opportunities identified include cheap and cost-effective marketing strategies that are easily and readily implemented, the ability to contain and soothe volatile situations and identify market opportunities outside the usual market channels, and aggregate information on consumers, patterns of shopping, and their use of marketing campaigns to create and predict purchases in the future. Today, many organizations are attempting to utilize multimedia and social media to open new communication channels with customers. However, research suggests their view of multimedia is slanted towards branding and creating awareness on which previous mass media marketing strategies have focused. According to research, there is an estimated 440 to 490,000 of analytically trained people that will be needed in the U.S. Currently, we are facing a shortfall of between 150 and 200,000. Additionally, digital marketing must design organizations to differ from traditional structures to better respond to fluidity associated with social and multimedia campaigns. Brand and reputation. Increasingly, value is being seen in creating positive touch points for consumers beyond the transactional stage. However, introducing and engaging customers directly with the brand reduces the locus of control a marketer has over the content. Therefore, marketers must strive to carefully create and guide consumers during digital media campaigns. Additionally, imperfect monitoring of feedback systems issue noise in the form of possible negative loops or otherwise negative responses to quality answers and transactions. Additionally, brand and reputational damage can extend well beyond the initial transaction or touchpoint, and thus a large social footprint inevitably brings escalations and unsatisfied customers to any company. Uncertainty of added value. For all the potential that the digital revolution has promised, a stark truth that connecting people with people rather than people with products is the main focus and primary driver of social media. Many firms feel there lacks a connective influence on metrics to show the search, research, and transaction history of a customer and how they build value throughout the value chain. The value added to companies who use social media can be measured through the last click method. However, that does not reveal the process in which customers proceeded to make a purchase. Therefore, we do not gain a better understanding of what led them. Rather, what their final decision is the only point of impact that we can gain access to. Reported online metrics have quality issues associated with them, as seen in Table 4. Research conducted by Laflang et al. Discovered throughout the survey that a widespread perception that online measures are not easily translated into financial impact was their primary conclusion. Opportunities. Under digital media literacy, the primary opportunity that can be achieved is implementing cross-training from both marketing departments and incorporating them with current multimedia and social media users that are currently employed. By utilizing both their combined skills to leverage social and multimedia during the infancy of a digital campaign, a company can later develop brand awareness and engage customers in the future. Brand and reputation issues can be resolved by nominating a monitoring team or person to respond to issues and opportunities through feedback and active searching. This should be provided immediately as soon as customers provide a response or as soon as possible. And then finally, uncertainty of added value is the most difficult to quantify. Development of transparent industry standard metrics will add value and help marketers understand how value is added through social and multimedia platforms. And finally, references.